doing this video. I feel like I haven't seen you in forever, but I've technically filmed 3 videos. I've just had so many technical difficulties that I've been trying to work through that I haven't been able to post any of them. So hopefully this one works out. Fingers crossed. We're just going to be doing this very simple, very easy, wearable, natural, kind of messy updo. It's super easy to do. I promise you can achieve it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started and fingers crossed that this video works out.
Okay, so as with any hairstyle, you're just going to start off by brushing your hair. As you can see, I'm just doing this on my natural hair texture. I didn't curl it or straighten it or anything. Then you're just going to part your hair wherever you'd like, whether it's on the side or down the middle. And then after that, we're just going to section our hair off. I'm going based off of my eyebrows, and I'm just taking that top layer of hair. Then we're going to turn around so you can see a little bit better. And then I'm just going to use a small hair elastic and make a ponytail. You can get these anywhere. I got these from Walmart for 99 cents. You can even get clear ones too. Hopefully your hair doesn't get tangled like mine did. If it's easier, then just move that hair to the side so it's out of the way.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way.
Once you get your ponytail secured, you're then just going to split it in half and pull your ponytail through. Just like a topsy tail. You've seen me do this thousands of times on my channel. It's really easy. You can do it. After that, I'm just going to clip that ponytail on the top of my head out of the way. And then I'm going to take that bottom section of hair. My hair is kind of dirty. Please ignore. I'm so bad about washing my hair. I hate it. Anyways, I'm just going to split that section into 2. Then we're going to release that top ponytail. And then I'm just going to take those 2 sections and put them over the first ponytail and create yet another ponytail. Same way, using a small elastic, and I'm just going to secure it. And then once again, I'm just going to repeat that first step and pull the ponytail through. Once you have your 2 little topsy tail things, you're then just going to want to pull at them and make them bigger and messy and voluminous. No rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. Then you're just going to take that remaining hair and just create a standard braid. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just your standard plain old 3-strand braid. Once you finish your braid, just pull at it a little bit, make it a little more loose, and you're just going to simply roll it up. You can roll it on your hand if that's easier, and then just tuck it in and pin it at the nape of your neck. And then it probably goes without saying, but I'm just using standard bobby pins. If you were to use hairpins or U-pins, as some people call them, it would probably just fall out.
Because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
Okay, so now that we got the back all done, we can kind of mess up the front, make it just a little more, you know, natural and messy and kind of effortless. So I'm just gonna kind of pull at my crown a little bit, pull out some of those, pull out some face framing pieces, just to make it look a little more, you know, effortless. great texture. You can kind of just separate some hair with your fingers, push it up, and then spray with some hairspray. Let that dry. And that's about it. So yeah, here's our finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you could hit that subscribe button down below, I'd really love that as well. Thank you guys so much again. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I feel again, we're bringing this back to life. We're picking up.